Hello everyone. Tomato and egg stir fry is a classic home-cooked dish. It tastes sweet and sour, especially good with rice, very popular among the masses. Today, I'll teach you how to make a Chinese-style tomato and egg stir fry. It's even tastier than what you can get in restaurants. Simple to make, delicious to eat. Let's do it together. I'll share the detailed recipe with you. Prepare some tomatoes, cut across on the top of each tomato. Place them in a large bowl. Pour in enough boiling water to cover the tomatoes. Let them steep for 5 minutes. After steeping, remove the tomatoes and peel off the skin. Boiled tomatoes, very easy to peel off. Cut the tomatoes in half from the middle, and then cut off the bottom. Cut the tomatoes into strips, and then into cubes. This is to make the tomatoes more flavorful and maintain their texture. Put the diced tomatoes in the bowl and set aside. Prepare several green onions and cut them into small pieces. Put the cut onions in a plate and set aside. Prepare some eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Add a little pepper. Then add 10 milliliters of water. Stir well with chopsticks. It's important to add water when scrambling the eggs. It makes the scrambled eggs more tender and smooth. Stir until the yolks and whites are well combined and can form bubbles. This will make the scrambled eggs more fluffy. Add a little cooking oil to the pot. Pour in the egg mixture when the oil is hot. Don't stir the eggs immediately after pouring into the pan. Let the bottom set first. Then stir the eggs to scramble. Cook the eggs until done and transfer to a bowl. Add oil to the pan again. The oil is hot. Pour the tomatoes in and stir fry. You can add a little sugar when stir frying the tomatoes to balance the acidity of the tomatoes. When the tomatoes are soft and juicy, add a little salt and a little water. Then pour the eggs into the pan. Continue to stir fry for a few more minutes. Let the eggs absorb all the tomato juice. No need to add any other seasonings. Here, the original flavor will be more nutritious and delicious. Once it's stir-fried like this, it's ready to serve. Transfer the tomato and egg stir-fry to a plate. Sprinkle with chopped green onions, and the tomato and egg stir-fry is ready.